This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Towne London. Sprawling brick ranch in the sought-after neighborhood of Hatton Point Farms. Great floor plan with 3/4-inch oak hardwood floors. There's an eat-in kitchen and separate dining room that opens to the rear step-down sunroom with dual skylights. Formal living room with a wood-burning fireplace. One-story living with 3 bedrooms and 1.5 baths. A single-car attached garage with direct access to the house. Pull-down attic stairs and garage open to a huge amount of attic storage. Many flowering mature bushes in the front. Easy access to interstates, military installations, shipyard and Portsmouth Naval Hospital, Coast Guard base, shopping and entertainment. For more information, review the details below.